friends, welcome to kraftipedia. Today we are going to see how I made this monopod. Come, let's go into the video and see how I made it. The materials required for this are 8-inch PVC pipe and 1 by 4 centimeter in diameter screw and 3 by 4 centimeters in diameter bolt and a washer. I will show the measurements here. First, I drilled here with a drilling machine, or you can also use soldering iron, etc. In that hole, I have inserted that screw. In here, I have fitted a washer, and here a bolt. This is the monopod. First, we will see why I made this. I made this to do some vlogs in my garden. So I had to need this. If you buy this in online, it costs about 300 to 400 rupees. Nice monopod cost nearly 500 to 600 rupees. But I have made this in no cost because I had all these materials in my home itself. Using that, I have made this. If you buy in offline shops, it may cost about 50 rupees to 100 rupees. Only this PVC pipe cost too much, and the screws, bolt, washer and all, it cost very less only. Now let's see some disadvantages of this monopod. First disadvantage is we cannot adjust the angles of this monopod because I had drilled only here and we cannot adjust the angles. Next, we can use this monopod only with the mobile holder, which I have. I will put the Amazon link in description box for that mobile holder. Even I have another mobile holder. In this monopod, we can't mount this mobile holder. We can mount, but it will be tough to take videos. It will be like this. But in my mobile holder, there will be a bolt here also and here also. I will show the pic of that mobile holder. So in that, I can place like this and I can take videos. It will be very easy. But if you are taking like this, it will be little bit tough. This is another disadvantage. These are the disadvantages of this monopod. Okay friends, I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, try this and comment your feedbacks in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye.